I'm trading one system, one ticker, S&P 500 futures every single day for a full year. I'm going to journal every session to track the progress, reflect, and sharpen my execution. And so today is day 47. So let me change that here. Day 47. Had a pretty good day, another record-breaking day for the whole account. Altogether, I made about 6,250 on the bottom here. And then for my main account that I was trading on, I made 433 and 52 for the day. So it was a pretty big day. I thought the other day was big, but this day was even bigger. And rightfully so. And I'll tell you how I did it. If we can go back in time, this is exactly how what I would do and what I would advise you to do. So we started the day off at 9:30, market open. We were in a bullish market structure at 9:30. So that means any pullback by the dip, right? So we pull back to the MOB here. We pull back to this trend line that I drew from overnight and yesterday. Bought and added at both of those levels. I added here and I added here. Then I was able to move my exit to here, and I moved my exit to somewhere over here. So those two exits easily net you $100 each, give or take. So this, if you caught the bottom here, 67, 65, 75. So 10-point move was $50 easily. Two contracts is $100. So those are the two big plays here. And then we back tested again the MOB a third time. And what do you do when you back test MOB in the bullish market structure? You buy the dip. So we bought the dip here, and then took an exit here, and then held the position, got an exit somewhere in the top upper part here. So at this point, I was already up pretty good. Could easily lock out the account if I want to. It was up 250, 300 ish. And then at 120, we had a DD buy signal, which gave us more confidence to buy. Everything here was just kind of like a no man's zone. We didn't know what was going on there because market had ran up so much, right? But overall, we're still pretty bullish due to the market structure. So 120 was somewhere around here. So 120 is somewhere in this zone, which gave us a DD buy signal, which means any pullback you want to buy the dip. So we got to pull back here, and we got to pull back to a moving average support here. So both those areas are buys, and then you can sell here or you can sell here as well. So that's easily another $25, $50 play. And then we got a bigger pullback here, which ideally you want to buy as well based on that signal. Still pretty recent signal. This pullback was due to the 2 p.m. sell signal. So we got a 2 p.m. sell signal here. We wouldn't really play the sell signal. That's just telling us, hey, look for opportunity to buy the dip because we're still in bullish market structure. We're also in extremely positive gamma as well. So that just reinforced us the opportunity to be extremely bullish and just took every chance to buy the dip instead of trying to short. So I bought the dip up here, could have closed here or close here end of the day, or even up here at the end of the end of the at the end of the day. So that's why I was able to make so much money today because today was pretty easy, pretty simple. Signals was very clean. There wasn't much confusion, and my mind was just sharp on that. And then as far as level for tomorrow, let's take a look at that real quick. So levels for tomorrow is 67.85 and 67.65. So this level got pushed up a lot, the bottom side. Now, keep in mind the wording has changed a little bit. Yesterday we said if we can go over 67.85, we need to flip bullish, right? And rightfully so. You see us breaking over, should have flipped bullish. And as we back test it, you need to buy that freaking dip there for the big move up. And if you guys remember last night, I was actually pretty bearish, and rightfully so. We were setting up a bear flag. So a bear flag is when you go down and you come up here, right? That's a bear flag. But that bear flag got invalidated the second we broke over this side as well. Okay, so now we're somewhat in bullish territory, and we have no reason to be bearish. So the levels we have for tomorrow is 67.85 and 67.65. So that means if we come back to this level to back test, I expect us to bounce and remain bullish, right? As long as we're above this level, we have pretty good reason to continue to buy back and play all supports. If we lose this level, then we're somewhere in this no man's land. If we lose both of these levels, we are extremely bearish and expect this to happen. So hope that was helpful. I hope you guys made as much money as me. or you guys will eventually. It's a matter of time. And let's see. Let's take a quick look at the trend. Yeah, trend had moved back to the upside, so we're still pretty bullish so far. So hope this was helpful. Keep these levels on watch for tomorrow, and good luck trading this week. Have a great day.